We are already on our last problem now for this free vibration response na sample. We have here a block displaced by 25 millimeters. Okay, so this is our initial displacement. U naught is equal to 25 millimeters. It is observed that the amplitude decreases by 1.2 millimeter each cycle. So ingon niya, decreases each cycle. If you remember, this is the reduction per cycle. That is the delta rho, which is equal to 1.2 millimeters per cycle. What is the coefficient of friction between the block and the surface? So we were asked to find mu. Okay. So saan man nato na siya pagkuha? So kabalo na ta ni. We know that delta rho for the reduction per cycle is just equal to mu mg over k. But take note, di ba if you remember, this is the weight. So mu mg, sakto lang na siya if upright ang inyong system. How about with this one? Naka-slant siya. You have your weight here, but your normal force will be like this. Now, if paingon to ang motion, the friction will be on that direction. So, pila man ni si normal force? That is equal to W cosine theta, or simply mg cosine theta. So, since incline man siya, sa ato pa di ay, ang ato ang normal force is equal to mg cosine theta. So this one, this is the normal force over K. Since ang ipapangita mo sa tuwa si kuan, si mu, coefficient of friction, dali ra kayo if kabalo ka sa formula. Mu is just equal to the stiffness times the reduction per cycle over mg cosine theta. So that is just equal to if the 10,000 Newton per meter times 1.2 millimeter na reduction per cycle over the mass, which is 10 kilograms times the 9.81 meters per second squared. Then cosine 25 degrees. Take note of the signs. This is millimeter. Para makancel si meter here, millimeter should be converted to meter. Pwede sa si meter i-convert it to millimeter. So we have 1 meter per 1,000 millimeter. Para makancel si millimeter, aron makancel ni si meter. Okay? So here, our coefficient of friction, we have 10,000 times 1.2 divided by 1,000. We have 12 over 10 times 10.81 cosine 25, 88.909, which is equal to there must be something wrong. Oh, I see. So we forgot no that the reduction is 4 mu mg. We forgot about the 4. C4 was forgotten. Okay, so we have a 4 here. So that will become 4 times 10 times 9.81 cosine 25. 355.635. Approximately 0.034. So this is the coefficient of friction for the block displaced 25 millimeters and then release with a reduction of 1.2 millimeters per cycle.